Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on TIA. Had to make an update on that, all right? Has been very bullish again. Usually these updates, which is pretty funny. I mean, they're not watched that often. I know it's traded a lot. Like a lot of analysts I follow, but also in the Cilinix Crypto community, we traded a lot. I mean, it's... I took a trade back when it was right here, so around $3. Since then, I've kind of been waiting on the sidelines. Because I do think that Celestia, I mean, first of all, it's a great project, all right? I think it has some long-term potential. But in the end, I mean, if you look at this, just the eye test will already tell you that there's some shady moves here as well. You see these big spikes up, like for example, that what we got yesterday morning. But also what brought us here, sometimes it just seems a bit manipulated, which isn't the end of the world, for sure not. I mean, when it's manipulated partially, that also means that there's a lot of potential. But look at this. I mean, these are just buy orders of about 10 million in a matter of seconds. So yeah, that's the truth. But all right, let's talk about what's next from here. Celestia has just reached the main price target, which we talked about yesterday. Yesterday I felt like a pullback was a little bit more likely, but in the end it just continued up to 7.5 immediately again, which we also talked about yesterday. Usually if a crypto reaches that top again, after when it has a bullish market structure, so when technically it forms a double top, right? So you have two tops right here, but usually if the market structure before that is still bullish, so usually then there's a little bit of time between it, usually the price will go higher. So that happened. Then the next price target was around 8.5. That's filled with resistance, technically between 8.3 and 8.6. So that's where we are right now. And that's what we're talking about. All right. So Celestia right now, it's a major resistance level. All right. I would say that if it breaks above this resistance level, $10 is next. But what you see is that the open interest right now is still increasing. We got some big short liquidations, and that's probably also, if I am able to quickly look that up, that's probably also what you'll see on the liquidation heat map, which I have right here. Yeah, so you can see some liquid, not even that much, but some liquidations right here at 7.6, just when it got that bullish breakout. But it still is bullish. So right now, the big question is how will it react to 8.3 and 8.6? Because like I said, if it breaks above that level, I really don't see anything holding it back from moving up to 10 and 10.4, which is the next price target. So the big question is can it break above that? And I think for now, the answer is no. It's a strong level. It hasn't even hit that entire level, and it is finding some resistance there. All right, so the open interest right now, as you can see, is still increasing. So I would say ultimately, at this moment, it is most likely that it will break above that. But initially, I actually expect resistance. All right, so initially, and let me quickly find a Fibonacci that works. Right there, perhaps. So initially, what I expect is resistance. I expect it to find resistance, drop back down towards 7.8, $8, potentially all the way to 7.6. If it's able to hold that and consolidate, then Celestia will break above 8.6 and rally up higher later. All right, that could still take a week, but if it's able to hold that level, form a consolidation like this, for example, it will break above that eventually, because the nature of Celestia right now is just very bullish. All right, so those are my thoughts. Now, I must say that if for some reason Celestia does not find that support and this resistance is even stronger than I thought, and the manipulation is over, and Celestia drops down towards 7.5 and breaks below that level, see, then it's over. And that's a possibility because it's manipulated, partially, all right? That's why unpredictable things like that are a possibility, and that's also why I feel like I need to tell you about that. Now, like I said, if that happens today, I was wrong, because I'm not expecting that today. I'm just telling you that it's a possibility, and the possibility is quite high that will happen eventually. All right, so be careful. For now, still looks very bullish. I expect a short-term retracement, followed by support and a continuation later. All right, so those are my thoughts for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And down in the pinned comment and in the description, you'll also find links to my own premium group and signals. All right, so if you're interested in that, check that out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.